Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows. This guide is quick, simple, and perfect for beginners. First, open your web browser and search for Notepad++. Open the official Notepad++ website, then go to the Download section. Here, you'll see the latest version of Notepad++. Click the Download button and choose the 64-bit installer if you're using a modern Windows computer. The download will begin automatically, and the installer file will be saved to your computer. After the download is complete, open the installer file. If a permission message appears, click Yes to continue. The setup wizard will open. Select your language, click OK, then click Next. Accept the license agreement, choose the installation location, and continue through the setup process. Keep the default installation options selected unless you need something different. Then click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish, and Notepad++ will open on your computer. You can then create a new file, write text or code, and save your work easily. That's how to install Notepad++ on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.